That's right, y'all see it. Come with me to the hood to get some tacos, y'all. If you don't know, now you finna know. This is the Nightingale Taco Truck, El Grilliense, located at Mariposa Market, y'all. Some of the best tacos you gonna get in Stockton.
Thank you.
Okay.
Have a good day. Have a good one. Bye.
Right down this block with two, fuck a three, fuck a two, and I drop fives in every city. Go ask one.
Okay, y'all. You all know I had to make it to the house. I wasn't eating in the hood. So, these is the tacos. How they look. I did get carne asada, sour cream and cheese, onions and cilantro. On mine, you gotta have that little bit of lemon on there. Squeeze that lemon on there real good. I'm mad he ain't getting my jalapeno because he know how I feel about my jalapeno. But anyways, a little bit of extra sauce. Dip that right on there like that. Have to get the shells made hard too. Don't let them play y'all. Get your shells made hard. Mm-hmm.